Honorable Principal, staff members, parents and students. I am Danya Iyer, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, PA College of Pharmacy.
I'm Triveni, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, PACP. We extend a warm welcome to you all on behalf of PA College of Pharmacy to the To bless this momentous occasion, we seek divine intervention. I went in third year B.Pharm to start the event by invoking the Almighty.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عما يتساءلون عن النبع العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا الليل لباسا صدق الله العظيم. I seek refuge of Allah from Shaitan, the rejected one. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What are they questioning each other about? About the great tidings, regarding which they hold different views. Surely yes, they will soon come to know. Again, surely yes, they will soon come to know. Did we not make the earth a bed and the mountains as pegs? And it is we who created you in pairs and make you sleep a rest and made the night a cover and made the day of seeking livelihood and built 7 strong roofs above you. Thank you.
I stand before you today with immense joy and pride as we come together to make the beginning of a new chapter in our academic journey. This occasion of Orientation Day is not just a ceremony, it's a celebration of new beginning, fresh opportunities and promise of brighter future. Today we have Mr. Ganesh Kamath, former president of KCCI, as a guest of this event. We are honored to have you here with us this memorable event. I would like to extend my hearty welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Ganesh Kamath. Welcome you, sir.
I request Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome our chief guest with the sapling.
A warm and heartfelt welcome to Mr. Sharafuddin PK, AGM Campus, PA Educational Trust. Welcome you, sir.
I request Dr. Mohammad Mubin, Vice Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome Mr. Sharafuddin PK with a sapling.
Extend a cheerful welcome to Dr. Ramesh MK, Principal, PA College of Engineering. Welcome you, sir.
I request Dr. Manohar Naik, Associate Professor, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome Dr. Ramesh with a sapling.
We extend a warm welcome to Dr. Sarfraz J. Hasim, Principal, PA First Grade College. Welcome you, sir.
I request Ms. Nishmita, Associate Professor, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome Dr. Sarfraz J. Hasim with a sapling.
A hearty welcome to Professor K.P. Sufi, Principal, PA Polytechnic College. Welcome you, sir.
I request Ms. Pratika Bhandari, Assistant Professor, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome Professor K.P. Sufi.
It's my pleasure to welcome Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Director, Center for Management Studies and Research, Dean Student Affairs. Welcome, sir.
I request Dr. Manohar Naik, Associate Professor, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome Dr. Syed Amin with a sapling.
We are delighted to have Dr. Sajeesh Raghunathan, Principal of PA Institute of Physiotherapy. Welcome you, sir.
I request Ms. Nishmita, Associate Professor, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome Dr. Sajeesh Raghunathan with a sapling.
Now I extend my cordial welcome to Shafina Syed Ismail, Admission Officer, to this event. Welcome, ma'am.
I request Ms. Pratika Bhandari to welcome Mrs. Shafnaz Ismail with a sapling.
A special welcome to our dedicated principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan. Your leadership guide our institution towards excellence. Your commitment to shaping the minds of our students is truly commendable. Welcome you, sir.
I request Mrs. Shravya, Assistant Professor, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome Dr. Salimullah Khan with a sapling.
A warm welcome to Dr. Mohammad Mubin, Vice Principal, PA College of Pharmacy. Welcome you, sir.
I request Mrs. Nahida, Assistant Professor, PA College of Pharmacy, to welcome Dr. Mohammad Mubin with a sapling.
To express my heartfelt welcome to all the parents who have trusted with this institution. A cordial welcome to HODs of various departments and teaching and non-teaching faculties to this event. At last, but not certainly the least, our students. I extend a warm and hearty welcome to the new members of our PACP family. You are the heart and soul of our institution. Let us work together to make the journey a remarkable one, filled with growth, learning and success. I want to congratulate each one of you to making a choice to pursue your higher education at PACP. Thank you for being a part of this special day. Thank you, everyone.
Of Orientation Day, we are glad to release the handbooks for B.Pharm and D.Pharm. I request all the dignitaries to come forward to release the book.
Very good morning to all of you, the students who are joining the institute today. But first of all, the dignitaries on the dais here, all the principal of the PA College of Pharmacy and all the other principals and management people from this institute, and especially Dr. Sarfraz, who is a good friend of mine and whom I keep meeting always. So at the outset, thanks to him for giving me this opportunity to be here today in welcoming all of you. So to begin with, I see a lot of parents and students here as well. I would like to know how many students are here. Can the students raise their hands, please? How many students? Because you are all with your parents also here. So most of the students are here. All the parents are there, I think. So some of the students there. So I see a good number of girls who have opted to come into the pharmacy line, and of course a few boys here as well. Maybe it is the ratio this year. So at the outset, congratulations on having taken up this pharmacy line as your career. You all have finished your pre-university and are here today where you have opted out for a career in pharmacy, and you are beginning your journey today. As your Master of Ceremonies said, it's not an event or something, but it's a celebration. It's not a ceremony, but it's a celebration that you are joining this course here today. At the same time, a warm welcome to the parents. All the parents have come with great hopes. They have admitted their children here. You have given wings to their aspiration. The children who have wanted whatever course they want as parents, you have given it to the students, and definitely under your guidance and under the training and the education that will be imparted in PA College, you all will be very successful. Coming to this orientation program, I myself am here as a chief guest, but as a student, this orientation program was not there in the past. I am sure Dr. Sarfraz and others will agree. Coming to the first year day in college was meant that you just walk into the classroom. There was nothing special, that orientation where you would be told what is in store for you. All these things were not there. But today I am glad, at least as a speaker, I am here at an orientation program, and I can address you. So you are all the lucky people. Some of you may be from Mangalore, some of you may be from outside Mangalore, that's what I understand from your management. Some of you are traveling from nearby places, and most of you may stay in the hostels also. So that way you are coming out of your comfort zone now, right? I don't want this to be a speech, I think so all should be attentive, and let's take it forward as a conversation as students when you are coming here. So definitely, what would be your feeling in the first day in college? Can anybody tell loudly your feeling? Let us make it interactive, otherwise I'll talk for 20 minutes and go from here. First day in college, how are you feeling? An elated feeling is there, right? You all are feeling what the day one in a new campus, as you leave your earlier pre-university colleges and come to this beautiful campus, you all must be feeling elated. There must be some feeling in your stomach, what is there in store for me? A new set of classmates, I'm sure you are going to know each other now. Only a few of may be friends, right? Correct? Or you all know each other already? No. So that feeling is there. What is in store for you? What is going to happen next 1 week, next 1 month? The new friends that you are going to make, the new lecturers that are going to take class for you. All these crosswinds are there in your mind, I'm sure. So with the time, I'm sure you will get acquainted to the surroundings as well as to the campus easily. So what I'm telling today is, the theme of my talk, as you take, as youngsters, when you take up this new course, the theme of what I'm going to talk to you is the spark within you. Today you are coming here with a spark. You have to kindle a spark within you. It is not just about education, it is not just about pharmacy, it is not just about pharmacology, or it is not being focused, okay, what will happen 4 years from now? 4 years from now, where am I going to lead? Whether I'll be here, whether I'll be in some company, that is not the thing. What you people should generate is retain the spark within you. And what is this spark? Today is the first day. This first day can mean so many things to so many people. All of you would have celebrated your first, 5th birthdays or 10th birthday. Each year the joy is different. As a kid, till your 5th birthday, when a toy was given to you, probably you saw a spark with you. You get a Spider-Man, you get this, you get something. As a very small kid, you would have been very happy. A spark would have been lit in you. Similarly, when some story was told to you by your parents or somebody when you were a toddler, you would have been happy. There was a spark within you. So always keep this spark alive within you. There's no point in being dejected, aimless and bitter in life. Always, as long as you are here, as long as you are studying, as long as you are doing anything, it is the spark which will take you through your life. The moment you lose it, you have no ambition. So if you take it as a spark, if they take the lamps, if you take your lamps as a future, how are you going to retain this spark? These are the two parts which I would just like to tell. Nurturing your spark, that is giving the spark your fuel. If a lamp has to light, then it needs some fuel. What is that fuel? And how will a lamp go away? If there is strong winds, if there is a storm, the spark or the lamp will go away. So you need the fuel, you need the spark, and you need you have to guard against the storms. So these are some of the things which I will just go into today. So all of you have come here with a goal in mind today, right? End goal is there. Set up, girls. You all have the goal, your ultimate destination in mind, right? As you come here. So nurture your goal in this institution. Strive and improve the goal, what goal you have come to achieve here in this. Keep improving upon it each day. When you come here, it is just not to the financial freedom. When you come into an institution, it is not just that you are going to earn money. You are studying pharmacy, you are getting a job, and you will get financial freedom. You will be standing on your feet. I don't think it is only about earning money, right? It is much more than earning money or whatever. Financial freedom is one of the things. You will learn, you will become professionals, and you will stand on your feet. But if financial freedom was the only goal of doing anything, then why would somebody like Ambani's children or Shah Rukh Khan's son or Shah Rukh Khan, why would Shah Rukh Khan do a movie today? You all have seen, how many of you have seen Jawan now? He has done so many, last 30 years he's in the industry. Money is not a big deal for him. He is having enough of money. Whether he does a movie this year or does not do a movie, Shah Rukh Khan will thrive. He has nothing to do. Why is it? Steve Jobs, he discovered so many Apple improvement. The latest Apple 15 Pro. Still it's coming. Apple is coming out with improvisations every year. Apple is one of the top listed companies in the America. So even if they don't do a project, they can remain there. Why would Steve Jobs strive for that? It is the satisfaction. It is just that feeling of getting better from the current levels, right? There is no thing called only finances will not drive anything. Always keep that spark in you to get better. Your first semester, I hear there are 8 semesters, right sir, in this pharma. You are having 8 semesters to go. Each semester, each day, each year, 4 years in this journey, try to get better. Don't get stuck at any point of time. Now in your goals, what is important is leading a balanced and successful life also. Career, academics is on one thing. You need a balanced life. Correct, no? Am I reaching out to you? We are on the same page. Okay. So what you need is a balanced and successful life, which would include good health, relationships, and mental peace as well. So it is a total package that you are going to get in the days to come. One more thing I'm seeing nowadays is now too much of focus on so many things. Even before you step into the college, or even before, so many people would have told so many things to you. You can take up pharmacy, you can take up physiotherapy, I don't know what crosswinds you have faced in deciding to come to this pharmacy. Some of you would have come as a passion, some of you would have come as the future. So there will be so much. You would be worried today whether I've taken the right choice, whether my friend who has taken engineering is better off, whether somebody who is doing artificial intelligence was better. Should I have taken science? Should I have taken commerce? There's a BBA there, there's BCom there, there's accountancy, there's MBA. You have taken this, but all that is true. You have taken up something, now stick to it. At the end of the day, as students, when you are stepping into this, don't take life too seriously. Take it one day at a time. If you have to take life too seriously, it would be very difficult for you. Sometimes as you go through this journey, as they say, the journey is not important, the destination is important. So little bit of playfulness, I'm sure the management also, they will understand. A little bit of playfulness in college is okay. All the rules, this handbook has been given to you. It states the rules and regulations of the college, the subjects that you are going to have, the examination schedules, your internal assessments, your student counselor, dean, all the details are here. This list of everything. But in this book, nowhere it tells again the spark of playfulness within you. This student life, this 4 years is hardly so many days of college, so many holidays are there. This 4 years you are not going to get back in your life again. So what this book tells, you have to follow diligently. That is one part of it. But what this book does not tell is what you will also be in life, because you should know to enjoy this journey. What this college, this beautiful, I was driving down here, I've come here today first. This beautiful nature, this after taking the right turn from the main road, you are coming to a different world. You don't know whether you are in Mangalore or you don't know in which part of the country you are once you come inside here. So you are having such a good campus without around you. So enjoy your life. The ups and downs will definitely be there. Sometimes marks may be up, marks may be down. Don't get brooded. Even the parents, I would tell, they perform a little less. Don't pressurize the children. All of you are here. They are also adjusting to a new course. They are adjusting to a new subject. Here and there, they may a little bit falter. They may not be on the right track. Got it? Everybody has, I think so, all of us have gone through it. But as parents, the concern will be there. But I think so, the idea is to lend a hand and lift them up, which the college will do. But one hand, if it is from the institution, the other one should be from the parents. They may falter a little bit. Here and there, attendance issues are there. Sometimes we get reports. As a parent, I have gone through it. Suddenly, report will come, he has not been attending classes or he has been doing something. They may lose their track a little bit here and there. But definitely, I'm sure they will come back to their path. So do enjoy your journey as you go through this. So I've told you the three things or four things that you need to have to light up your spark. But what are the three things which are you have to guard against? The storm. These are the things to keep you floating. There will be the storm also which will come in your life. So keep reasonable goals, keep the balance of life, and as I said, balance your life in taking it seriously. These are the three things which I've already told you. But what are the four storms that can put this flame off momentarily? If there is, you will see the weather report sometimes. Depression in the Arabian Sea and a huge storm will come. Sometimes the roofs are blown off, trees have fallen, traffic is gone. So there can be four storms in your life. Please do keep it in your mind. Life is not going to be one smooth journey where you join and you go to the finish without any hiccups. So disappointment, frustration, unfairness, and loneliness of purpose. Can you repeat it? Disappointment. Can anybody of you tell there will be no disappointment in your life? Frustration. It can come so easy. Today's youngsters, at the drop of a hat, they are frustrated. If there is no network connection, frustration. Where is the network gone? Why I am not getting the network? I am not able to connect. What the hell is this? Why this network is poor? Why this service provider is so poor? This is useless. Within minutes, they are so judgmental. And these networks were not there earlier at all. So frustration, unfairness, life has been unfair to me. Somebody is doing well, I am not. Why? I also struggled, same. I also did the same course. I also did the same thing. But he is doing better. Why is this unfairness to me? And loneliness of purpose. So disappointment. What if you were to take as disappointment? Effort does not give effort. You have to realize that it is the effort which gives rewards. So you don't have to be disappointed. I don't know how many of you have seen even because cricket is a passion in our country, and sometimes cricket and Bollywood, we always take an example. So if you have to take disappointment, Sachin Tendulkar, you all have heard him. I don't think, maybe you all have seen him play in your younger days. Maybe you all would be a little small. It's about a good 8 years since he has retired. But Sachin Tendulkar, when he played his first series against Pakistan at the age of 17, the youngest cricketer to make his debut. The youngest cricketer to make his debut, and while he was batting, the first fast bowling that Wasim Akram bowled at him, within the first or second match, he was bleeding. The ball hit his nose and he didn't score well, and almost he fell down on the pitch. He had to be escorted out for medical treatment. He was bleeding, totally bleeding. But this young boy, Sachin Tendulkar, refused to be disappointed. He came back after the treatment again in the same match, and he played a good innings, and within the 2 to 3 innings, he scored a good century, and you know what has happened to Sachin Tendulkar. And there is no reason to be disappointed, because out of every failure, you come out stronger. Frustration, as I said, no network, traffic jams, coming to PA. Some of you I heard are getting down in Ullal from neighboring Kerala. Some of you have to come from Mangalore. You have to take an auto, you have to take a city bus, and you have to reach here. Little bit of jam here and there, frustration. Why the hell is this happening? Can't I come smoothly to college? So, jobs. This is just the beginning of frustration. Students, they apply for one job. They don't get it. Frustration. I applied for 10. I didn't get. What is this? I'll give up. I said Bollywood. Amitabh Bachchan, I think so you all are still watching the KBC. You would not have seen him in his younger days. There is no chance. You have to go back to Netflix or some streaming movie and see what Amitabh Bachchan is. But going back, where even I have not seen him at that age. But Today, if there is one thing, is Amitabh's voice. In any of the campaigns, everything, the Amitabh Bachchan's voice is very unique, Amitabh. But you'll all be surprised if I tell you one fact about Amitabh Bachchan. When he began his career in Kolkata in West Bengal, where his parents were from, he applied for a job in All India Radio. And can you imagine, Amitabh Bachchan was rejected by All India Radio, telling his voice was not okay. He was just asked, your voice is not okay for All India Radio, please go. And the same Amitabh Bachchan, next 50 years, is the sensation of Bollywood, and it is his voice, it is his approach, and it is his language which is very unique. Today, if any ad is there, he'll get multi-crore for just lending his voice to an advertisement. So where is the reason for frustration? After being rejected by All India Radio, if he were to go home and tell, I'm done and dusted, I will not do anything for the rest of my life, you would not have an Amitabh Bachchan at all. Unfairness in life. All of you fear you. God has been not so kind to me. God is not so kind to me as he was to you. God is more kind to him, unfair to me. So this unfairness always is there. Somebody feels somebody is more connected. Somebody's father is very connected politically. Somebody's father is connected socially. So he is getting everything in life. Some rich dads are there. Parents are rich. Parents are blessed with abundant money. Why am I not? That would be there. Somebody thinks it is pedigree. What my father was, what my grandfather was. God has been kind to them and fair to them. Why is he unfair to me? But I don't think it goes that way. Today there is no role for history to play, or it doesn't matter how lucky you were than others. You have your own destiny to be made. So there is nothing to be worried. Let us be grateful for what we have, and let us have the strength to accept what we do. I think so. So what somebody is or not is a thing. So you should have the strength to do what you want. The last point is isolation. I think so sometimes, but luckily today colleges have student counselors and all that. Sometimes you may go into a shell. Suddenly there is no desire for anything. I think so the college would do well in giving a lot of importance to this. I'm sure with the trainers like Dr. Sarfraz here, who is able to bring the best out of everybody. I'm sure time and again when this loneliness comes or when this isolation comes, you will get out of it. Let each one of you support each other and do this. We must not give so easily is what is said. So this way there is a journey of this, your pharmacy journey will take you so many places. Now as it was said in my introduction, I am into pharma distribution myself. So when you are coming here, don't come with a fixed idea that you are doing pharmacy, you are going abroad, you are going to the Middle East, you are going to Canada, you want to go somewhere, or you want to be into some pharma company for research. Don't have any fixed idea. Keep your mind like that blackboard which will be there in your class. Tomorrow morning when classes commence, I'm sure the board there will be empty, right? Will you have a board written with all the formulas there when the first year students enter there? I don't think anything will be there written on the board. Keep your mind similar to that board that is kept there. Go with an empty mind. Keep it as an open canvas. Life will provide you immense opportunity. Don't come to predetermined conclusions. I will do this. I'll become a seller in pharma. I'm going to have a medical shop, or I'm going to work somewhere. Keep that interest alive in you. You can become anything in life. There is I was talking to the principal of one of the engineering colleges here. I know one of the alumni who was from PA college. He holds a very big post in Google today. He's almost one of the India chief, and I'm sure that he has studied from here. I'll again get it confirmed for the college. When I come there, I will definitely get it confirmed. So this is some of the things which I've told the parents as well as the students. So apart from your education, this institution will offer so many student council roles. The fairs and festivals will be held, various student fest will be held. So these are things which will matter. Participate beyond your classroom, be a very active student here. So these are so many things. It's endless. As I talk to you today, it can go on and on. But more important, enjoy this journey here. So again, I welcome you to the wonderful years of your life which you are going to spend here. If someone gave me the choice to go back in life and decide which period of life you would want to take, I would definitely, blindly I would take it back is what the college years, the days that I spent in school and colleges is the one which I would wish to take. Unfortunately, we will not get it. Nobody has been able to go back in time, that is for sure. So what you begin tomorrow, 10 years down the line you regret, when I was in PA for 4 years, I should have done this. No way, you will not get that chance. It is gone. Now, each one of these 4 years, when it is in your hand, do the best of it again and again. And also, again and again, I'm telling you. So, I will take up those 10 years if I have to get my chance. That you will, and I also believe that you will keep your spark alive totally, as I have told all the 4 sparks which I have told you throughout your journey. And life is, you all are younger, 20, 21, you add another 50, 60 years to it. How many weekends will you get? About 2,500 to 2,800 weekends in our life we will get. So make it a point to make the most of these weekends. And I hope not just you, but the whole country along with you will keep this spark alive as you become graduates of pharmacy, and you will do very well. I've intentionally stopped short of discussing anything about your careers too much, but I've tried to give a few points which I thought will hold you in good stead. So, dear students, enjoy this journey. Be very meticulous in your approach, hard work and discipline. Very simple words. Everybody talks about that, but that will be the foundation of everything. And do the most that you can. And the parents, they are always been supportive of you. You have to live up to the trust that they have reposed in you, and parents can always trust their children. Once again, thanks to the management for having invited me here today. So hope you all have a great journey in PA College, and all the best to you all. Thank you.
Motivational words which was very needed for the newbies. It was an immense pleasure for us that you joined our event and bestowed us by being our guest. Your precious time was of greater importance, and your kind words worth a lot to us. I now request Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM Campus, to felicitate the chief guest with the memento as an expression of our love. Honor Dr. Ramesh MK, Principal PACE. Now I request Dr. Ramesh MK to address the gathering.
It's indeed a pleasure for all of you that it's one of the turning point of your life that after +2, after your PUC, you have joined your undergraduate course, a very promising course, Bachelor of Pharmacy, B.Pharm or D.Pharm, in a very promising institute, PA College of Pharmacy, which is under the leadership of very young and dynamic faculty members like Dr. Salimullah Khan and team. So first of all, I congratulate all the students for selecting this course and also this college for your further career. In between, the parents, രക്ഷിതാക്കൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി കുറച്ച് സമയം മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കണമെന്ന് പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. Anybody who cannot understand Malayalam? Is there any? Kannada? Malayalam understand? അത് മലയാളം മനസ്സിലാവുന്ന എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചോദിക്കുക? അപ്പോൾ ഏത് ഭാഷയിലാണ് ചോദിക്കേണ്ട മനസ്സിലാക്കാത്ത ആളോട്? कोई है जिसको मलयालम नहीं समझते? Anybody is there who cannot? How, in which language I should ask them? Kannada? I don't know Kannada. എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലാവില്ല മലയാളം? മനസ്സിലാവും? Okay. I will start in Malayalam within 2 minutes. So few things to the students is, first of all, I congratulate you for selecting. After 4 years of completing course, we are going to have one event like this after 4 years. That's called as a graduation day. All of you will be in gowns, and your teachers will be in gowns. And that is a day which is remembered by each and every one of you. So you have got a 4 years of time now in this campus. In this 4 years of time, a lot of transition happens. You, when you entered this campus on the first day, And when you go out of this campus after 4 years or 2 years, D Farm 2 years and B Farm 4 years, a lot of changes happen in your life. So we should have some targets for it. Our chief guest, I was telling Salimullah Khan sir, that is, sir has given a very good picture of many parameters, many things from human aspect to all of you. You see, he is a person whom we can quote that he is a successful person in his life, being the president of one of the prominent organization, the KCC in Mangalore. So why he has become successful? You see, when he came for an orientation program, he has spent his valuable time and he has prepared what to talk to you. He has prepared what to, he has not simply come up and talked something. He has come prepared. And because he knew that I am going to address a generation, I should give the best. And that commitment and hard work has made him reach that position. So these people who come and talk to you, more than their words, it is their actions. Actions speak louder than words, we have usually seen. Similarly, this 4 years or 2 years of life in this campus, we should be committed and dedicated. That's the first thing. Take the best out of you. Deliver the best. We don't ask the students that you score 80% or 90% or 95% or 100%. We ask them, deliver the best. We usually tell the students, it doesn't matter what you have. What really matters is what you do with what you have. Sir has told in another way. It doesn't matter what you have. What really matters is what you do with what you have. So each and every one of you should understand your capacity. What is your capacity? Some failures might have happened in your life at some point of time. But that failure is not for always. It is for that particular time. There is a story, small story, we usually tell during the orientation day. A father and a son was walking somewhere. So he saw an elephant, the son. So the elephant was very big. It was tied with a rope, small rope. The son asked the father whether this elephant can break the rope. Then the father replied, yes, he can break the rope. But the father again told that the elephant will never try to break it, because the elephant was very small when it was brought and it was tied with this rope, and the childhood days the elephant tried to break it a lot of times, but it was not able to break it. But now this got registered in the mind of the elephant that I can never break, and that is the reason that it will never try to break. So some failures might have happened in your life at some point of time, and that failure can be in many contexts. But don't have a feeling that it's forever. You try it. Deliver your best as far as your academics is concerned. This is one important thing that you should learn from this campus. Apart from academics, you will be having your subjects, many other laboratories, all those things you understand, deliver the best. Apart from academics, try to upskill yourself. Because nowadays the border between the branches of science is getting blurred. There is no specific borders. Last week, Salimullah Khan sir has conducted one 5-day workshop for your seniors. The topic is AI, artificial intelligence in healthcare. So a student of pharmacy is studying AI, and he wants to try, and he has associated with IIT Kharagpur for that course. So you just imagine a pharmacy student is studying artificial intelligence, because tomorrow the day is going to be of modern technologies. You cannot simply tell that I am a pharmacy student, I will study only pharmacy. You should be aware of the modern upcoming trends. Even in future, the diagnosis is going to be totally taken up by machines. The pharma manufacturing, the drug delivery, the drug manufacturing, still now you have some subjects on it where it is going to be automated. Many things are coming up. So a student of pharmacy who is good in the core area of pharmacy, at the same time who is good in technology, is going to excel. So that's That's why you students should learn to upskill yourself in the core domain and also in the upcoming technologies. Wherever you are good, you understand it, try to sharpen it. This is the second thing that you should take. And the third thing is this 4 years of life in the campus, you will see a lot of people. You will develop a lot of friendships. One of the best relationship in the world is friendship. When a friend falls, we smile. You know, we start laughing. It's not that we don't love him, but the relationship is so strong that is, if you smile also, he takes it. And that is the beauty of friendship. So you will be having a lot of friends in this during this 4 years of life. You will have a lot of relationships, your teachers, many things. But at the same time, these relationships you should be very selective, and also at the same time try to use it at the best possible way. You should not tell yes to everything. Wherever you have to tell no, you should be able to tell no. Keep your environment clean. Keep your friends, try to get them into good environment. And especially PA College of Engineering, our founder chairman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji. If you see the vision and the mission of the trust and the institute, you can see that one of the most important thing our chairman envisioned was creating fine human beings who keeps us the responsibility towards the creations and the creator. So these are the few things I wanted to tell to the students. As far as the parents is concerned, നിങ്ങളുടെ പാരൻസിനോട് പറയാനുള്ളത്, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉത്തരവാദിത്തം സാറ് പറഞ്ഞു. ഇപ്പോഴേ ഞാൻ സാറോട് ചോദിച്ചു എന്താണ് അവരോട് പറയേണ്ടത്. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉത്തരവാദിത്തം നിങ്ങളുടെ മകനെയോ മകളെയോ കോളേജിൽ ചേർത്തുകൊണ്ട് തീരുന്നില്ല. യു ആർ ദ പാരന്റ്, നിങ്ങളാണ് രക്ഷിതാക്കൾ. ഇവിടുത്തെ അധ്യാപകർ അവരുടെ, വി കോൾ ഇറ്റ് ആസ് സെക്കൻഡ് പാരന്റ് ഓർ സെക്കൻഡ് ഗാർഡിയൻ, അവരുടെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ രക്ഷിതാക്കളാണ് ക്യാമ്പസിലുള്ള. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ട ചില ഉത്തരവാദിത്തങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ, ആസ് പാരൻസ്, രക്ഷിതാക്കൾ എന്ന നിലയിൽ നമ്മളുടെ മക്കളുടെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ വി ഷുഡ് ഗിവ് ക്വാളിറ്റി ടൈം. നല്ല സമയം മക്കളുടെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ കൊടുക്കണം. മക്കൾക്ക് പറയാനുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ, കോളേജിൻ്റെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളോട് പറയാനുള്ള സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം അവർക്ക് ഉണ്ടാകണം. അവർ പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് കേൾക്കണം. ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. നമ്മൾ അന്വേഷിക്കണം. അവർക്ക് അവരുടെ ഫ്രീഡം, അതിനുള്ളിൽ നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് അവരെ നമ്മൾ ഗൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഇറ്റ്സ് വൺ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് തിങ്. രണ്ടാമത്തെ കാര്യം, ഈ കോളേജിൻ്റെ സിസ്റ്റത്തെ നിങ്ങൾ കാര്യമായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. ഈ ഫാർമസി കോഴ്സ് 4 കൊല്ലത്തെ കോഴ്സാണ്. ഡി ഫാർമസി കോഴ്സ് 2 വർഷത്തെ കോഴ്സാണ്. ഈ 4 വർഷത്തിൽ സെമസ്റ്റർ സിസ്റ്റമാണ്. 6 സെമസ്റ്റർ, 8 സെമസ്റ്റർ, 4 കൊല്ലത്തേക്ക്. അതായത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫാർമസി ഇന്ന് ക്ലാസ് തുടങ്ങും ഒക്ടോബറിൽ. ഏകദേശം ഒരു 4-5 മാസത്തെയാണ് ഒരു സെമസ്റ്റർ. പിന്നെ അവർക്ക് പരീക്ഷയാണ്. ഈ ഓരോ സെമസ്റ്ററിലും അവർക്ക് ഇന്റേണൽ എക്സാമിനേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവും. സാധാരണ ഒരു 100 ദിവസങ്ങളിൽ 2 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 3 ഇന്റേണൽ എക്സാമിനേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടാകും. അപ്പോൾ ഈ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ മാർക്കുകൾ, കാര്യങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൻ്റെ മേധാവികളുടെ ഭാഗത്ത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രക്ഷിതാക്കളുടെ ഭാഗത്ത് നിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയിക്കപ്പെടും. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ തുടങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ്, ഈ പരിപാടി തുടങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ഓരോ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിക്കും ഒരു മെൻറ്റർ ഉണ്ട്. മെൻറ്റർ എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറയാം, ഒരു what will take for mentor in മലയാളം, മെൻറ്റർ മെൻറ്റി, ഒരു ഗൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഫാക്കൽറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവും. അത് നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. ആരാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയുടെ മെൻറ്റർ, ആരാണ് നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. ആരെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങളുടെ മെൻറ്ററിനെ നിങ്ങളുടെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയുടെ, നിങ്ങളുടെ കുട്ടിയുടെ മെൻറ്ററിനെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും പോകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ആ ടീച്ചറെ കണ്ടിട്ടേ പോകാവുള്ളൂ. സലീമുല്ല സർ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്, അത് കാണാനുള്ള ഏർപ്പാടുകൾ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവരാരാണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. നിങ്ങളുടെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയുടെ, നിങ്ങളുടെ കുട്ടിയുടെ മെൻറ്റർ ആരാണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. അവരുമായി നിങ്ങളുടെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയുടെ, നിങ്ങളുടെ മകൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മകളുടെ പഠനത്തെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള പുരോഗതി, അറ്റൻഡൻസിൻ്റെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ, ഈ കാര്യത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് നിരന്തരമായ സംഭാഷണങ്ങൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവരുമായിട്ടുള്ള ആശയവിനിമയം വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ടതാണ്. നിങ്ങളൊരു കാര്യം മനസ്സിലാക്കേണ്ടത്, നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ പാരൻസിനെ ചിലപ്പം കോളേജിലേക്ക് വിളിപ്പിക്കും. ഒരിക്കലും വിചാരിക്കരുത് അധ്യാപകരെ കോളേജിലേക്ക് വിളിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് അവർ കുരുത്തക്കേട് കളിക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ പേരിലാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതിൻ്റെ പേരിലാണ്. എല്ലാം അതിന് മാത്രമല്ല വിളിക്കുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ മകൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മകൾ നല്ലൊരു മാർക്ക് കിട്ടിയെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക അവരുടെ പഠനത്തിൽ. നിങ്ങൾ കോളേജിന് വിളിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾ ഈ കോളേജിൽ വരണം. എന്നിട്ട് അവരുടെ അധ്യാപകരുടെ മുമ്പിൽ വെച്ച് അധ്യാപകരും രക്ഷിതാക്കളും കൂടി അവരെന്താക്കണം? അവരനുമോദിക്കണം. കാരണം നിങ്ങളുടെ അനുമോദനം നിങ്ങൾ അവർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന ബെസ്റ്റ് വിഷസ് അതവർക്ക് വലിയ ശക്തി ഉണ്ടാക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു കാര്യം, ഈ വന്ന രക്ഷിതാക്കൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും നിങ്ങളിവിടെ പഠിക്കുന്ന വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുടെ, നിങ്ങളുടെ മക്കളുടെ, മകൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മകളുടെ മെൻറ്ററിനെ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും കാണുകയും അവരുമായി നിരന്തരം നിങ്ങളുടെ മകൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മകളുടെ കാര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച്, പഠനത്തെക്കുറിച്ച്, കാര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് നിരന്തരം അറിഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കണം. ഇത് വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. പിന്നെ കോളേജിൻ്റെ സമയം, അതേപോലെ കോളേജിൻ്റെ ഹോളിഡേയ്സ്, ഇതെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചോദിച്ചാൽ അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടി സാധിക്കും. ഇതെല്ലാം മനസ്സിലാക്കുകയും അവരുടെ പഠനത്തിൻ്റെ വിഷയത്തിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, അവരെ പൂർണ്ണമായി സഹകരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യണം. പഠനത്തിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു കാര്യത്തിൽ അവർക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രയാസം നേരിടുന്നതായിട്ടോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവരുടെ സ്വഭാവത്തിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രത്യേകതരം മാറ്റങ്ങൾ ഉള്ളതായിട്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ കാണുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ അവരോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയും ആവശ്യം വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ കോളേജിൽ വരികയും അവരുടെ അധ്യാപകരോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യണം. ഈ രീതിയിൽ ഈ 4 വർഷം കൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ മകൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ മകൾ അവർ പഠനത്തിലും ഏറ്റവും ഉയർന്നവരായിട്ട് മാറുകയും അവർ സമൂഹത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല മനുഷ്യരായി, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും പേഴ്സണലി അറിയാവും ഈ സ്ഥാപനം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ ഡോക്ടർ പി എ ഇബ്രാഹിം ഹാജി. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പലർക്കും എനിക്കറിയാം, നിങ്ങൾ ഇരിക്കുന്ന പലർക്കും അദ്ദേഹവുമായിട്ടും അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങളുമായിട്ടും വലിയ ബന്ധം ഉണ്ടാവും. ചിലപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് വലിയൊരു സ്വപ്നമായിരുന്നു ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തെക്കുറിച്ച്, ഈ സ്ഥാപനം ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത്. അവർക്ക്, നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം നൽകുക മാത്രമല്ല അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ലക്ഷ്യം, അവർ നല്ല മനുഷ്യരായിട്ട് വളരണം. സമൂഹത്തോടും സൃഷ്ടാവിനോടും എല്ലാവരോടുമുള്ള ഉത്തരവാദിത്തങ്ങൾ പൂർത്തിയാക്കി നല്ല മൂല്യങ്ങളുള്ള നല്ല മനുഷ്യരായി സമൂഹത്തിന്, അതേപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യത്തിന്, ലോകത്തിന് നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരാളായിട്ട് മാറണം എന്നാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ വലിയ സ്വപ്നം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ നോക്കിയാലും കാണാൻ വേണ്ടി സാധിക്കും. ഈ ഇടയ്ക്ക് കോഴിക്കോട് ഈ ഒരു മൊബൈൽ ആംബുലൻസ് എല്ലാ യൂണിറ്റോടും കൂടിയിട്ടുള്ള അദ്ദേഹം തുടങ്ങി. എന്തിൻ്റെ പേരിലാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഫാമിലി ഇതൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രതിബദ്ധതയാണ്, സമൂഹത്തോടുള്ള പ്രതിബദ്ധതയാണ്. അപ്പം അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ കഴിവ് കൊണ്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ട് അദ്ദേഹം ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ അതിനേക്കാൾ ഉപരിയായിട്ട് അദ്ദേഹം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ വലിയൊരു സമ്പത്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ സ്ഥാപനമാണ്. കാരണം ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൽ അദ്ദേഹം ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നത് അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ജനറേഷൻ, അങ്ങനെ ഒരു തലമുറയെ തയ്യാറാക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പം അദ്ദേഹം പലപ്പോഴും ഈ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിൽ വെച്ച് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് ഞങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. എനിക്ക് ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സന്തോഷം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത് എൻ്റെ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൽ പഠിച്ച വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾ അവരെവിടെയെങ്കിലും, ഞാൻ എയർപോർട്ടിലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഏതെങ്കിലും രാജ്യത്ത് യാത്ര ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് അവരെന്നെ വന്ന് കണ്ടിട്ട്, ഹജിക ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൽ പഠിച്ച ആളാണ്, ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് പൊസിഷനിലാണെന്ന് കേൾക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ മനസ്സിന് വലിയ സന്തോഷം തോന്നാറുണ്ടെന്ന് അദ്ദേഹം പറയാറുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം, നിങ്ങളുടെ മക്കൾ പഠിച്ച് ഒരു നല്ല പൊസിഷനിൽ എത്തുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഞങ്ങൾ കാണാറുണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ ഗ്രാജുവേഷൻ ഡേ നടക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു 4 വർഷത്തിന് ശേഷം ആ ഉമ്മമാരുടെ മുഖത്തുള്ള സന്തോഷം ആ മക്കളെ കോട്ടിട്ട് വരുന്ന സമയത്ത്. അപ്പോൾ വലിയൊരു സ്വപ്നത്തോടു കൂടിയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തിലേക്ക് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉത്തരവാദിത്വം ഇവിടെ ചേർത്തത് കൊണ്ട് മാത്രമായില്ല, ഇവിടുത്തെ അധ്യാപകരുമായിട്ടുള്ള നിരന്തരം സമ്പർക്കം, ആശയവിനിമയം എപ്പോഴും സ്ഥാപിക്കുകയും എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ രണ്ടുപേരും കൂടി നമ്മളുടെ മക്കളുടെ ഭാവിക്ക് വേണ്ടി നല്ല രീതിയിൽ പരിശ്രമിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യാം. അതിന് നിങ്ങൾ വേണ്ട രീതിയിലുള്ള സഹായ സഹകരണങ്ങൾ എപ്പോഴുമുള്ള ആശയങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. So to conclude, I think you might have also understood. We wish you a very, very bright career and future in this campus. Celebrate it. And celebration doesn't mean simply of showing off something, but enjoy what you are doing. Have the passion for your studies. And as sir has told, make a goal for your life, what I should be, because goal is very, very important. And this goal helps you to achieve the things in a very enjoyable manner. So with this, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Encouragement and the words of wisdom. Now I request Dr. Sarfraz G. Hashim, Principal, PA First Grade College, to address the gathering.
Chief guest of the day, our well-wisher, Mr. Ganesh Kamath sir, dignitaries on the dais, members of the faculty, parents, and ignited minds of PA College of Pharmacy. Assalamu alaikum and a pleasant morning to you all. Let me first congratulate you for choosing one of the very good course, that is B.Pharm or D.Pharm, and also for choosing one of the best colleges in this region, that is PA College of Pharmacy. You have now joined a group of 30,000 students of 55 nationalities and In the India and UAE and Kuwait, we have 18 institutions. So from this day onwards, you are also a proud member of PACE Group. Let me congratulate you all for taking up this decision. So before I start, I'll be talking on a very brief, maybe for 5 minutes or that's all. How many students are here? May I request you all to kindly stand. You are sitting here for about an hour. So may I request all students to kindly stand in your respective places? Okay, very good. Such a good number where we can see more number of girls. And now you are here because of the wishes of the Almighty, and you are here because of your parents. Your parents have supported you in all aspects, is it not? Now it is the time to express gratitude by giving them a big round of applause. Let all the students give a big round of applause to your parents for giving whatever you want. And my sincere request to all these students, daily you express gratitude to your parents by hugging them. When you hug your parents, this is the most energy transfer that is taking place in this. Whatever positive energy your parents have, it will be transferred to you. Please be seated. So, it is not only today expressing gratitude to your parents, you need to express gratitude daily. Let me share one fact. You might have heard about Sunita Krishnan. She just started going to her PUC, that is plus 1 or plus 2, when she was 16 years of age. And when she was coming back home, she was gang raped by 8 members. And she was brought home. She was unconscious. She was not ready to talk to anyone. Completely isolated. Her parents were worried. They started breaking their heads. They started hitting their heads to the walls with so much disappointed. Why such thing has happened to my daughter? And after a few days, his father went and asked, how long you will sit in this room? You are only sitting in this room watching the outside environment. How long this will happen? You are not eating the food, and how will you get the energy? She was silent. After a few days, again father and mother went and expressed the same. Then she said, now I have 2 choices. One option is to kill myself. Second option is to live, to be alive. And third option is to live a life to the fullest. And she opted for the third choice. She said, I want to live my life. I want to live my life for the benefit of others. I'll do something and I'll make my parents proud. After some days, she came back and she said, I want to continue my studies. She went to the same school where she was going. And the school authorities denied her admission. They said, if you come back, the environment of the school will be spoiled. What is her mistake? She was gang raped. She was not a prostitute. And she went to another institution, another institution, another institution. All institutions denied admissions. Just for the same reason, if you join, our college will get a bad name. Came back home with a heavy heart. Again went to the same room and spent few days there alone, talking to herself. And after a few days, again she said, no college is giving me admission. I'll start working. She went to different organizations, but the reply she got was the same that she got from the school. If you join our organization, the environment will be spoiled. So we don't want to take you here. She went to multiple organizations, everywhere the negative reply. Again she came back home, again went to the same room, again started talking to herself. for a month. Then she said, now all other doors are closed. I have a mission. I'll start an NGO. I'll start an organization. And her father was worried. She asked, what are you going to do in that organization? She said, I will identify the people like me who has suffered. I will give them shelter. I want to see their life flourishing. And to everybody's surprise, she started an organization named Prajwala, where she identified such type of people who have suffered and who are into the prostitutions. Their children, everyone was brought there, and she started educating them. And she has sheltered more than 10,000 such type of people. Recognizing her services, Government of India has awarded Padma Shri to that girl. And she started 17 institutions in Hyderabad, where she admitted all such type of students, made them work, made them study. After studying, where to get them employment. She started her few companies where they can start on their own. And this is the power of a girl. This is the power of a girl. Today in India, we have 950 universities, 51,000 colleges across all streams, and 3 crore 20 lakh students come out, are studying there. And every year, 88 lakh students are coming out from institutions across different streams. And the statistic shows, out of this 88 lakh, 8 lakh people are employed or they have started their own and they become entrepreneurs. Problem is remaining 80 lakh people. They are the threat to the nation. And there are few companies which target those type of unemployed youth. The casinos, the substance abuse, and the social media. You know, in Facebook, who is highest paid there? Not the operational managers, no. There is something called as attention managers. Their job is to, when the people look at the Facebook using the AI concept, they identify what they are looking and how we can make this person to spend more time in the Facebook. That is their job. They are the highly paid. And again the study says, on an average, the moment you enter into Facebook, minimum of 28 to 45 minutes you will spend. See the amount of productivity that is being lost. We are not against technology, but we should limit ourselves. So my dear students, I want you to talk to yourself as Mr. Ganesh Kamath and Dr. Ramesh Yamke rightly said. You have a very bright future. But have a goal, have a commitment, have a vision. And when you have a clear focus, your attention flows and the energy flows in that direction. I would like to conclude with few statements, and I want all the students and parents also to repeat. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm not hearing. Come on, PSCP. Are you ready? Very good. You repeat this. In happy moments, loudly, in happy moments, praise God. In difficult moments, seek God. Loudly. In quiet moments, worship God. In painful moments, trust God. And in every moment, thank God. So let me once again congratulate you all for taking up admission in this great institution, and I take this opportunity to thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to interact with you. Almighty bless us all. Thank you very much.
Values and principles, linking them with the standards of professional conduct. Now I request Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Dean Student Affairs PAET, to brief us on the rules and regulations of the institution.
PA College of Engineering, PA First Grade College, PA Polytechnic, PA Institute of Physiotherapy, PA College of Pharmacy, and Center for Management Studies and Research, which is the MBA institute. In this campus, we have around 2,800 to 3,000 students. After all first year joins, we'll have proper picture. This campus is of 65 acre. Keep in mind. Okay, you might have seen only 10 acre which is covered here, but total we have 65 acre of campus. And here you will understand a lot of things are here, like colleges, location of colleges, hostels. If you might have gone to the hostel, you might have seen the hostels. We have separate ladies hostel, separate gents hostel, all these things. So one thing to mention here is you are lucky, because you are in a campus where you can see different type of opportunities or field. As Dr. Ramesh MK was mentioning, that pharmacy student, they had a AI related workshop, which is much needed. You should know each and everything to be competent in the corporate today. Here not only technical aspect, from the marketing point of view, you have BBA here, you have MBA here, because sometime you may go and you may start your business. So you should know about finance also, you should know about marketing related aspects too. So you have MBA institute also, BBA also you have. You have food technology related courses, you have physiotherapy one side. So all these things is opportunity. One more good thing about our campus is we have students from different regions, places. We have students from Kerala, Karnataka, even from Kashmir also, from different states we have students. So here cultural exchange, okay, you have opportunity to learn new languages. Okay, those who are well versed with Malayalam, you can learn English here. It's obvious that you need to have English backup. Along with English, you will have opportunity to learn Hindi here, Kannada here, Tulu here. Those who are from Karnataka, you can learn Malayalam here in this campus. Not only that, different phases. Because Dakshin Kannada is one of the place where more than 20 languages are in use. Here different languages are there. So it is, you will spend your 4 year here. 4 year is more than enough to develop language. Minimum 6 month practice is enough. Okay, for example, my friends of PhD, okay, when I was doing PhD, I have few friends from South Africa and Afghanistan. Okay, most of Afghanis are settled here because of the issues in Afghan. They started speaking Tulu and Kannada. Okay, now recently when I visited, few are doing PDF, postdoctoral fellowship, they were talking in Kannada because they practiced. So that opportunity also you should take. So coming to the rules, as I said, you have bright future. To reach bright future, your journey of being student should be in a proper direction. For that, first simple rule is you should live your 4-year life as a student. As a student. That is what our expectation. We want you as student in the campus. We don't want Salman Khan, we don't want Shah Rukh Khan in this campus. What I meant you might have understood, especially dressing. Okay, your dressing should be like student. When we see you people, we should feel that we are seeing upcoming managers of pharma industry or upcoming executives or scientists of pharma industry. That feeling should come. I always tell whoever comes to my office with the disciplinary remarks, if they don't look like student, I said first I want you to see as a student. Okay, in this crowd only, few have hairstyle of Salman Khan,
Okay, whatever during your vacation you might have developed this, but when you come to the college, first change is that first I should look like student. That is simple rule in everything. Okay, that simple rule you have to keep in mind. I am student. I am not film actor. I am not actor or actress. I am here to study pharmacy, so I will be like student here. This is not only restricted to your dressing, this is restricted to your attitude also. Your attitude also should be like a student. The way you speak, the way you speak, the way you see things, the way you walk, very importantly. Why I am saying walk? I have seen, the attitude walk, that also should not be there. You should walk, you should talk like a student. That is a simple rule which you have to develop, because if this is done, almost all the journey will be easy. This is the first thing. Second thing, I should thank Salimullah sir for this beautiful book. Everything is there in this, but you should read it, because rules and regulations, Rajiv Gandhi University's regulations, everything is there in this. Read and implement. Action required, not only reading, action required on this part. So one more thing is about timing. Okay, strictly our campus starts at 9. Okay, our campus opens at 7, or by 8 everything will be set usually. Okay, most of the buses to our campus reaches at 8:30. Keep in mind, 8:30, 8:45 max buses will reach the campus. By 9, that means by 9 classes will begin. So, classes are conducted for you, it is for you, not for the teachers. That means when classes are there, you should be in class, not in the campus. As I said, why I mentioned you have 6 institutions here, because you are not only monitored by PACP team, you are monitored by central team of P Education Trust, which will be monitoring campus activities. If you are in the campus, you will be monitored. Immediately a message will go to the concerned person of your college that few students are outside. Okay, we will ask reason why they are outside, which classes are there now, classes is not there, why it is not there. Everything will be monitored. So don't bunk classes, very important thing. Okay, and come to college as student. Come to college as student. Why I am saying this? Now there is a trend. Students come with no books, empty-handed. Okay, I had my one friend, still he is my friend. Why I am mentioning had, because during my MBA. So we were doing MBA, when we were doing MBA, he wanted to maintain standard at his native place, maintaining standard of MBA. So he told all at home that our class is digital class, we don't carry any books, nothing to do in book and pen, everything is digital, laptop is there, monitor is there in my desk, so everything we do digital. After saying that, he was in a position, he was not in a position to carry books, no books. So one day I questioned, because he was very good in studies, I asked him, why you are not getting books? Every books you keep here in desk and go. Then he told, I said this lie. To my mother also I said, that in my college there is no pen and papers, everything is digital. Now if I take books and all, they will laugh at me. So I'm not taking any books. My dear parents, for you this is a message. Books and pens or study or textbooks are there. Okay, question your ward if they are not bringing books, if they are not doing any related activities of college at home. Okay, now the simple question, simple answer also there from almost all the students. They say everything is in mobile. They say everything is in mobile. Where is your class? It is in mobile. Which page they are in? Please verify. They may be in Insta, they may be in FB. Okay, so what they are studying also important. Then about campus, as every campus has this rule, but here we have zero tolerance for any kind of smoking related or any drugs related issues. So zero tolerance. Any person, if we find who is smoking a cigarette or any drugs is advanced, we will not discuss about drugs. The basic level only will take strict action, which may lead to the dismissal. Okay, we may rusticate such student from the campus. Again, one more aspect, ragging is also in the purview of zero tolerance for ragging issues. If you find any related issues, it is your responsibility to inform concerned staff, mentor as we said. You will have one teachers who will be looking after your activities, who will be doing counseling to you. Through them you can discuss with principal. Okay, there is a team for that which will look after this type of issues. About hostel and bus, one first rule I will tell, don't come with a request in future days. Hostel or bus is of annual affair, it is annual basis. For example, if you get into hostel, if you admitted to hostel, you have to stay for 1 academic year or 2 year as per the norms of particular college. In between, you are not supposed to vacate the hostel. If you vacate, the entire year's fee will be collected because it is entry is for 1 year. Similarly to bus also, if you take bus is for 1 year. It is not that 1 month you will go in bus and the next month you will come by your own. That is also for 1 year. If you take once, if you register for once, that is valid for 1 year. After 1 year, after the completion of 1 year, for example, for D Pharma it is full 1 year, for B Pharma it is 2 semesters. Okay, even an odd semester, odd and even. Okay, after even semester you can come and you can approach for the cancellation if any. Okay, but in between you are not supposed to come. And how many are in hostel? Can you raise your hand? How many opted hostel? Hostel facilities, girls and boys both. 5, girls 1, 2. Okay. Hostel also, there are certain rules and regulations in hostel which will be briefed by concerned in charges of hostel, but few things about timing. For you also same timing, it is not that you are in campus. First thing is like we expect hostel student to reach first because they are in campus only, but unfortunately it is reverse. Day scholar comes first and hostelites comes late. So see to the time, because your breakfast will start at 7:30. By 8:30, by 7:30 to 8:30 breakfast will be served. Then you need only 5 minutes to reach here, so you can be here by 8:45. Hostel students, those who are joining hostel, there also few regulations are there related to hostel, especially about timing of the hostel. Okay, most of the time your 5 o'clock evening you have to report to hostel. Your attendance will be considered. Attendance will be taken at 5 o'clock evening. Okay, again night attendance will be there by 8 or 9 o'clock. Again attendance will be taken. Then one simple this one message to all the parents and hostel student. Any health related issues, especially parents, if your ward is having any health related issues, please inform wardens or matrons when you meet today. Please tell them that your ward is having this particular issue, health related issue, especially cases like asthma and all. Okay, because what is their medical background we don't know, because here you are handing over your ward to us. They are our responsibility from today. So whatever health related issues, please discuss with the particular matron. So anything they will address it. And all the students, sometime you will have health related issues, okay, at late night also. For example, 2 o'clock night you have severe headache or fever or whatever the things. Please don't hesitate to inform to the wardens. Okay, immediately you have to inform, because we will take care of it. We will take you to the hospital immediately. So college vehicles are there. College vehicle will take you to the hospital. So don't disturb your parents. Inform your parents, but don't disturb your parents. So these are the few things which you have to keep in mind. And in bus also, seats are available, in the sense routes are given. That routes you have to follow. Okay, today for example you have opted bus from Kasaragod. Today from Kasaragod, tomorrow you should not come from Charkala. If it is Kasaragod, means Kasaragod. Okay, so which is the route allotted, that route you have to opt. Okay, then follow the things. Simple rule I will just tell again. Simple rule is, we want you as a student. We want to see you as a student. So be like a student in this campus for 4 years. In this, the student 4 year means, I said, in every angle, from 360-degree angle, we want you to see as a student. So everything matters. Your attitude matters. Okay, I'll tell you one more important thing, that will be my conclusion remarks. That is, see, don't be in wrong perception that if you study pharmacy, you will get good job. Okay, that is called as technical skill of your field. Clear? That is your technical skill. So sometimes technical skill of your field or knowledge of your field may not fetch your good job. Today, to get into the corporate, along with your field knowledge, you should have best qualities of character and attitude. Today in industry, attitude matters. Okay, recently our one of the trustee had come, Zubair sir. He is a very good speaker. He was telling us that he met one CEO. Okay, almost after that I also discussed with a few industry people. They also says same thing, that they are not looking high intelligent people. They don't want high intelligent people. They don't want high intelligent person to the job. They said, we are okay with average intelligence. We are okay with average intelligence, but with high character. High character and attitude. That is what required. If you say that I am a topper with the worst attitude, your journey is difficult in corporate. Not only in corporate, in life also. So if you are good in studies, you also should be good in with attitude. That is why main motto here in PA Education Trust, even in PACP, is right combination of attitude and aptitude. Okay, aptitude and attitude should be balanced. You should be good in studies, same time you should be good in attitude. Your aptitude should be good, along with that your attitude should be good. And if I say, sometime when these two things are evaluated, if your attitude is high, okay, then this may be ignored and you will be absorbed. Okay, this point you keep in mind. Your attitude will be seen, that there will be more weightage, because people want this. Because intelligence, as I said, intelligence has come with the artificial intelligence. Today, if you are talking about intelligence, there is an alternate for intelligence. This is the time of artificial intelligence, but there is no alternate for character. There is no alternate for attitude. Okay, that should be proper. That should be in a high level. Then this will come automatically with the good attitude. With this, I'll conclude, because further rules and regulation, your counselors, your mentors, and in a journey of your student life, your faculties will introduce and they will brief about it. Thank you one and all.
Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and their parents, a warm morning to all of you. You have already heard many things from different speakers. I hope you have understood everything what is been told. So before I give concluding remarks, I would first welcome all of you to PA College of Pharmacy. I would like to welcome all of you to PA Educational Trust's PA Knowledge City. What does it mean? PA Knowledge City. You are in a multidisciplinary campus. Students, please listen to me. You are in multidisciplinary campus. We have College of Engineering, we have first grade college, we have College of Physiotherapy, we have Polytechnic College, we have Center for Management Studies. What does it mean? You are in pharmacy. Why I am telling that we are in all multidisciplinary? Because we want you to grow as a whole person, not as only a pharmacist. We focus on a holistic growth of student. Now Dr. Amin was stressing on one word, student. It's a beautiful word. Student is a very beautiful word. We are all students. Life is a learning process. We are learning every single time. Every one of us is a student. Then what is a student? Our previous speaker chief guest was telling you must enjoy, not anything else but study. What is that meaning? A student is one who always seek the knowledge, always ready to learn. We are here to learn. Students are here to learn. We should seek the knowledge. We should make use of the opportunity to the fullest extent. Then you will become a student. You must start enjoying your studentship. Start enjoying the studentship detached from the parents, come here, run around, fight with each other. No, that is not the studentship. Studentship is to learn, enjoy learning. Okay, I find something new today. Okay, there is Center for MBA Studies, what they do, what they teach. Can I use this opportunity of Center of Management Studies, if not today, tomorrow? What are the branches in engineering? What is physiotherapy? Can we learn something from there? And before that, we are in pharmacy. We should learn what is pharmacy. Do you all know what is pharmacy? Students? Huh? You know what is pharmacy? Don't tell me, sir, we don't know pharmacy. That is why we have come to learn here. Pharmacy is an important part of healthcare. Very, very important. We are into a very, very serious business. We need a lot of discipline. As Dr. Amin was telling, attitude. We need lots of attitude. We are into the human health science. We give medicine to the people, we prepare the medicine. There is no room for any kind of negligence. There is no room for any kind of wrong attitude. That is pharmacy. A very, very serious business. That is why from the beginning you must be a proper student and start learning. I don't want a pharmacist who has not learnt anything. A pharmacist who has not learnt anything may kill a person, because we are into human health. Pharmacy is a very, very serious business, and all of you, the students, should get serious from the day one. It does not mean that you don't do any other activity. We have sports in our campus. We make our student to participate in Rajiv Gandhi Health Sciences sports activities, as well as the in-house sports activities in the college, within or across the courses available here. We allow the students to go to various camps. We conduct every year 1 or 2 health camps. We take students out there. Okay, and we have gym facilities here, right? We have many things here. We want the student to grow holistically, as I told you before, and therefore you must enjoy the student life and must enjoy learning what pharmacy is, and also the environment. I would like to remember Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji today, who was very proud of this institution, P.A. College of Pharmacy, which started in 2018. And today I am proud to say this is one of the top institutions in Mangalore. P.A. College of Pharmacy is one of the top institutions in Mangalore within a span of 5 years. And which is why Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji Marhum was so proud of this institution, and he had a vision that the people from his society should be taught in health sciences, and that is why he started the health science campus in the engineering campus here. And as the previous speakers told, he wanted to see good human beings. We are pharmacists, we are into a serious business, we are professionals, we should follow the professional ethics. Apart from that, we need a very good human beings. We want every single student should become a good human being. A human being who has lot of respect for the seniors, lot of love for the juniors, respect for the community, respect for the country, and follow the rules and regulation. There should be very good interpersonal relationships. All of you are the new students, you should mingle with each other. Not only that, you should mingle with other people also, and develop a very good interpersonal relationship. You should develop a connect between other people. It's a large campus. You should develop a connect between the students of other institutions also. And you should develop a good atmosphere. And an overall healthy atmosphere is required in this campus, for which for which, again I will come back to that, you should be a good student. If you have to build a healthy atmosphere, you should be good students, and I would request the parents also to be a part of the development of the student. It is not only the teachers. Parent should also be a part of the development of the student. Parent should inculcate good habits, should encourage their wards, their children to participate in good activities, whatever happening in the college. This college is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University. We are bound by the rules and regulations of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, Bengaluru. We have 2 sessional examinations, and 1 sessional examination will conduct to help the student to improve their marks, and there will be 1 end sem examination. Okay, and we will get about 100 working days for all these activities, and therefore the students should pull their socks right from the beginning, be a good student, start learning. We have other activities, as Dr. Ramesh was telling. We have already trained some of our students in artificial intelligence, and which is where the technology is taking us, and that is why student should grow habit of learning all around whatever is there in this. That is why in the beginning I told it is a interdisciplinary campus, and I wish all the students best of luck, and I congratulate every one of you for taking admission in pharmacy, and especially in pharma, in PA College of Pharmacy. And I congratulate parents also for choosing this profession. With this, I would like to conclude. Thank you.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, dear colleagues and parents, students, I take this profound privilege to propose vote of thanks on the occasion of Orientation Day program. First and foremost, I thank Executive Director Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim on his absence for his support to organize orientation program. Heartfelt thanks to Chief Guest of today's program, Mr. Ganesh Kamath, former President KCCI, for the valuable time, words and gracing the occasion by his presence. On behalf of PA College of Pharmacy, I thank guest of honors of today's function, Mr. Sarfuddin, AGM Campus, Dr. M.K. Ramesh, Principal PA College of Engineering, Dr. Sarfrajay Hashim, Principal PA First Grade College, Professor K.P. Sufi, Principal Polytechnic, Dr. Sadish Raghunathan, Principal PA Institute of Physiotherapy, Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Director, Student Affairs Dean, Ms. Shafina Saeed Ismail, Admission Officer, for your constant support, valuable words and gracing this occasion by your presence. I thank our beloved principal for his constant support to organize this event. I also thank Dr. Muhammad Mubin for your constant support to organize this event. I thank Site Office PA Educational Trust for the technical support. I thank Physical Director Dr. Iqbal and Mr. Rudresh, Campus Supervisor, for the constant support and effort to organize this event. I thank all the parents and the students who have gathered here. Once again, thanks to all the parents and students for your effort to attend this program and making this event successful one. I thank my fellow colleagues, non-teaching staffs, student coordinators for making this event successful. Thank you one and all.